शिवानी, Karan is here. Karan is here. Ronak, अंकित,
मैम मैं हूँ, बता रहा, आपको बता रहा।
हाँ हाँ बताओ बेटा, बताओ जल्दी। वो फॉर्मेट जो लिखा है ना उसके आधार पे बनाओ।
Had he gone to market?
Had he gone to market? Correct.
Had I gone to home? Question mark.
Had I gone to your home, you write question mark. Okay, so we have finished this one. Perfect, na? Past perfect. So shall we go ahead, or do you have any problem in this topic?
No, ma'am.
No मैम।
No, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So you write it down. You write it down past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. So as you know, continuous tense is
Yes मैम।
ing form, na? Yes. And perfect में हमेशा been लगता है, you know. So you write it down the format subject plus had plus been, B-E-E-N.
Yes मैम।
Plus verb 1 plus ing plus object.
मैम ING नहीं लगेगा?
लगेगा बेटा, verb 1 के बाद plus ing plus object. परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है ना, सो पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस बीन, B-E-E-N, बीन प्लस वर्ब 1 प्लस ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। क्लियर हो गया सुनील? इज इट क्लियर फॉर यू नाउ?
Yes मैम, yes। Thank you।
Okay, just you be ready all of you with your sentence.
Ma'am, he had been cutting the iron bar.
He had been cutting the iron bar. Yes. सलोनी बेटा जल्दी जल्दी रेडी हो जाओगे, देन ओनली वी कैन कंप्लीट दिस ना, अदर थिंग्स वी कांट रिवाइज। यस, he had been drinking tea.
And he had been drinking juice.
He had been drinking juice.
And that's ordinary.
Shivani, your voice is not audible bete. Okay, Ashmita.
Yes, ma'am. She had
Please.
been going to the zoo.
She had been going to the
Going
zoo.
to the zoo.
Yes. Ashma, Devika, Ashma is not here.
And she is.
Okay, she is here now. Yes, please read it out.
She had been writing a letter.
She had been writing a letter. Yes. Sunil, Ankit,
He had been going to market.
he had been going to market. Sunil,
Yes, ma'am.
Please, what you have written down, beta, can you read it out?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he had been going to the market.
He had been going to the market. Yes, correct sentence. Now you write it down negative one. Negative format you write subject plus had plus not, not, plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. So here you see little bit different is there. Had और been के बीच में not आया है. Okay? Remember this. Have you written down all of you? Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
लिख लिया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Shivani, you cannot hear me? उनकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है शिवानी. What you are asking or what you are saying also can't hear properly. So once again I'm repeating. So subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Clear? सारे बच्चों को क्लियर हो गया बेटा?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Aman, I will see your copy after this.
She had not been playing with us.
She had not been playing with us. Yes, correct.
Ma'am,
I had not been going with them.
I had not been going with them.
ma'am, I had not bringing a table.
I had not been bringing a
Bringing
table.
a table.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, she had not been singing.
She had not been
Singing the song.
singing the song. Singing a song. A song, you write, not the song. A song.
Okay, ma'am.
She had not been writing a letter.
She had not been writing a letter. Good.
She had not been cooking food.
She had not been cooking food. Anyone? Okay, now next one you write it down. Interrogative. Past perfect continuous tense. Interrogative sentence, you write it down the format. Had plus subject plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus question mark.
I make
Have
a
you done?
sentence.
हाँ, yes, please. You hurry up. जैसे फॉर्मेट दे दिया खत्म हो गया. You be
Had
ready
he
with
been-
your sentence.
Had he been writing a poem? Question mark.
Yes. Had he been writing a poem? Question mark.
Had you been waiting here for them?
Had she been writing a letter? Question mark.
Can you hear me, बच्चे, all of you? Yes, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So others, please hurry up.
Had he been trying to hurt you?
Had he been trying to hurt you? Question mark. Yes.
Had she been writing a letter? Question mark.
Yes. Had she been writing a letter? Question mark. Aman, where is Aman now? Not giving answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, let me hear you also. What is your sentence, please? Read it out. Aman, have you written down the format? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, please. बोलो बेटा. Until unless when you don't read or don't speak, you will not be able to understand, you will not be able to talk properly in English. You will not be able to speak fluently. That's why I'm giving you chance to read and to make how the sentence are forming in different tenses, na? Simple में, past
Had
में,
I
how it
gone
is.
to?
Had I gone to? No, verb you write it down. Format is had plus subject plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus question mark है.
मैं बोलूं?
हाँ बेटा बोलो, रौनक बोलो.
Had he been driving a car? Question mark.
Yes, had he been driving a car? Question mark. Very good रौनक. ऐसे ही कोशिश करना बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone is interested?
क्लास चल रहा है, अभी जाओ.
अमन रेडी नहीं हो बेटा अभी तक, जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Hurry up. Don't feel sleepy, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बेटा. जल्दी करोगे, otherwise see the time are passing away. It will never come back. हो गया अमन?
I did not been reading a letter.
No. I know. यहाँ पे आपके हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट है अमन. हैड से, हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब 1 प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क है. यू फॉलो दिस. हाँ बेटे
Had
बोलो.
he been writing a story?
Had he been writing a story? Yes अनुजा, good. क्वेश्चन मार्क डालो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we proceed ahead? आगे पढ़ाऊँ मैं? Now you have understood
Ma'am.
this now? Yes na? Past perfect continuous is over. Okay? Now I will
Yes,
give
ma'am.
you the sentence. After I finish, now I will test you. I will say the sentence or I will ask
Yes,
you to
ma'am.
make the sentence face to face. Okay? So now we will see the simple future tense. After finishing this, I will give you oral test or written test. Now this is the last syllabus now for this exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
पता चला मैम आपको मैम ऑनलाइन होंगे ऑफलाइन होंगे पेपर?
नहीं बेटा अभी तक मुझे पता ही नहीं है. आपको मैसेज आ जाएगा बेटा. अभी डेट शीट आ गई? नहीं ना?
नो मैम.
You did not get your date sheet also?
बस मैम इतना बताया 17 तारीख से पेपर.
17 or 18 it is?
17.
17. ओहो. So simple future tense. So you will have your exam, no, from 17th. अभी future tense पढ़ने वाले हैं. So in future what will happen? Exam will be online or offline? Future tense. So you write it down. Subject plus shall
मैम
will.
फ्यूचर टेंस.
हाँ बेटा. Subject plus shall will. Shall, SHALL. Shall oblique will. Shall will plus verb 1 plus object.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done? All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please. Now you make it sentence.
Ma'am, I will write the application for fever.
will go
Once
to the
again you read.
market.
I
You
will
will-
write the application for fever.
I will write an application for fever or leave. I will write a leave application.
Ma'am, please repeat the
Format. Okay. Subject plus shall will plus verb 1 plus object. हो गया बच्चे? Subject plus shall will plus verb 1 plus object. शिवानी हो गया बच्चे?
ma'am.
Yes ना? Okay, please make it sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
He will buy a car.
He will buy a car. लक्ष्मी प्रिया क्या लिखे हो बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lakshmi Priya, please read it.
She
Your
will write a
sentence.
letter.
She will write a letter. Correct.
Ma'am, she will write a letter.
हाँ बेटा सुन लिया. She will write a letter. Correct sentence है.
Ma'am, he will bake a cake.
Yes, she will make a cake
मैम डन.
for my birthday.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
He will bake a cake.
अच्छा, he will bake a cake. Very good. So
I will
lockdown में
play
सारे
cricket.
केक बनाए सीखेंगे. I will play a cricket.
Cricket.
I will play cricket in the park.
Ma'am, I shall go to the park with you.
I shall go to the park with you. Tomorrow we'll go, na Pooja? Shivani, your voice is not clear. I can't hear, bete. Shivani, you text that sentence. लिख के भेज दो. Yes, Sunil? What is your sentence, beta? Sunil? He will take that book. He will take that book for me. Okay, Ashma, Ashma. Yes, Ashma? अनुजा कोई रेडी नहीं है बेटा? अश्मिता, देविका, सोनाली, सॉरी सलोनी अभी तक रेडी नहीं है बच्चे.
She will go to the market.
She will go to the market. Correct.
I will complete my work tomorrow.
I will
Ma'am,
complete
she will
my
go
work
to
tomorrow.
bookstore.
She will go to bookstore. Very good.
I shall write a letter.
I shall write a letter to my friend or to my uncle.
मैं बोलूं अब.
हाँ बेटा बोलो रौनक.
He will drive a car.
He will drive a car. She shall go to Paris. Okay. So negative you write it down now. Negative. subject plus shall will plus not plus verb 1 plus object. जल्दी करो बच्चे, hurry up.
Ma'am, he will not cut the name from the list.
You will not cut my name from the list. Yes, Sachin, I will not do that. Definitely, I will not do that.
मैं इसमें नॉट नहीं आया नेगेटिव में.
आया है बेटा अमन, आप फॉलो नहीं किए होंगे ना. सब्जेक्ट प्लस शैल विल प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब 1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने बोला है.
Ma'am, I will not go with him.
Once again, Saloni.
Ma'am, I will not go with him.
I will not go with them. Correct.
Ma'am,
अरे
she
मैम
will
जाना
not go
क्यों
to
परेशान कर रही
market.
है.
Yes, Anuja, once again bete.
Ma'am, she will not go to market.
She will not go to market.
You will not learn English.
You will not learn English.
He will not fly a kite.
He will not fly a kite. Correct. Okay, Sunil. Sunil, beta padho. I shall not go to your home. Okay. Okay. शिवानी, आपका सेंटेंस मैंने पढ़ लिया बेटा. I read it out. हो गया सुनील? हरी अप बेटे.
I shall not go to the park.
I shall not go to the park. Yes, correct. Now you write it down interrogative. Please write it down interrogative. Will you come my home? Will you come to my home? So यहाँ पे फॉर्मेट है I will not drink apple juice. This is negative बेटे. तो आप interrogative you write it down. Shall will plus subject. Shall will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark.
Shall we plus subject plus
Subject plus verb 1
yes ma'am
plus object plus
ma'am.
question mark. Plus question mark.
yes ma'am done.
Ma'am, will I study in the morning?
Will I study in the morning? Question mark. Shall I? Will I or shall I study in the morning?
Ma'am, will she drink
हाँ.
a glass of juice? Question mark.
Yes, correct. Will she drink?
Shall I complete my
glass?
homework? Shall I complete
Shall I?
my homework? Shall I complete
Yes.
my homework in evening?
Okay, correct.
Will we join in a school? Question mark.
Will he join in the school? Question mark. Devika is not here today. She is not responding anymore. She is not answering me. Devika is not here.
No, ma'am.
No. आद्या शक्ति वगैरह कोई भी आंसर नहीं देते हैं. Will I write a letter? Question mark. Correct. Aman.
Thank you ma'am.
करण, आद्या शक्ति कोई भी नहीं है बेटा. रौनक, ट्राई आउट बेटे, इसका भी ट्राई करो. 2 सेंटेंस बोला
मैम
तो
बोल
करेक्ट.
रहा आता है
हाँ,
बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ बोलो बोलो
Shall
बोलो.
I go for morning work? Question mark.
Shall I shall I go for morning walk? यही बोला ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct. Question mark. Will we do it? Correct. Will we नहीं, shall we do it बोलो. कौन लिखे थे बेटा? will we do it बोला था जो? Who had written that? You correct. Shall we? Shall he go to park?
will लगेगा ना?
हाँ, yes.